like news. Mike Oliver here, Jefferson, Ohio. We're having a good old-fashioned snowstorm. Thought I'd take a little video here and show you. It's really nasty. You can hear that wind cutting across here. Here's some video over here. Just let you hear that wind. Typical Northeast Ohio weather. So it's always a blast, but it's usually a cold one. So I'll just swing this around a little bit, let you see here. It's really coming down. I'm gonna stop the film. I thought I'd just go out here and take a quick video. Here you go. We'll see ya. Bye-bye.